several times. We have read about it, we have talked about it, and we are continuing to think and talk about it on a daily basis. But do you think earning online is possible? When we talk about earning online, right now we are thinking about how do you earn on Facebook. We are bringing for you of on how to earn millions of money, talk about thousands, talk about billions on Facebook, because the majority of the human beings, the majority of the population in the whole world is on Facebook. When we talk about Facebook, we mean this app that everybody has access to, and it is almost for all ages, depending on what you're going to do with it. And also, it is accessible almost, I mean almost unlimited in the whole group. Thank you very much. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine on the Margaret Show, the lady that says poverty is a bastard. On this channel, we do bring for you tips on how to maximize the use of your smartphones by monetizing it, and go ahead and make sure that you can make money with your smartphone without any financial investments. Yes, when we talk about earning on Facebook, it is really okay. Though, however, some people think it's a scam. Some people think coming to your Facebook, it is just it's fun. It's having fun. It is no longer a media of communication. It is no longer a media that people used to use it for chatting, for messaging by using Messenger. But now it is a media that individuals have reaped a lot of money out of it. Yeah, today we're going to be looking at on how to make money online. But this episode is major on how to make money on Facebook. Are you ready to discover for individuals? Really, yeah? Are you ready to discover how individuals are earning on Facebook? In particular, me, you, and even any person who is there. If you know you're earning on Facebook, please be a witness. Go to the comment section and let us know. In this video, we're going to dive into the various ways of how people are making serious money. When we talk about money, we're not talking about 0.00. No, they are making dollars, enough good dollars online using Facebook platform. From running successful e-commerce stores to leaving Facebook groups and also becoming influencers, the opportunities are endless. If you're looking to learn how to earn, turn your time into your time on Facebook into a profit venture and monetization, then stick around, because this video is packed with valuable insights on making money online, that is with Facebook. Facebook is part of online. So when we're talking about making money, when we're talking about Facebook, it is making money. Do you need anything to invest in Facebook for you to make money? Yes. But no, you don't need any money to invest in. But what you need your time, you need your product, which is your niche or the product you're going to sell, as we'll be seeing, and you also need a smartphone, or talk less of the laptop, that is your PC or your tablet. So what do you expect to see in this video? Let's dive in and see what is the first major thing, major way that people are making money online, that is on Facebook. When we talk about the major way, now I'm going to first talk about when we hear people are making money online. Don't think about you and me only individuals. We think about also the companies, we think about organizations, we think about churches, we think about mosque, and everybody at large. It is non-discriminatory, as in terms of age, as in terms of ethnicity and others. Selling products on Facebook is very big. It has gone wild. As we talk on this product, on this means of earning on Facebook, you will be seeing our on a screenshot will be popping up on our screen. This is exactly what we mean. Selling products on Facebook, that is by marketplace and shops. You know, this was triggered by one of my shops where I'm working. We opened up a marketplace every July to September, October. There's a place they always put as a marketplace, and I remembered on Facebook we have bought cars. I know there's some friend of mine who bought car on Facebook. There is also a friend who has been buying clothes on Facebook, and even they go ahead to buy utilities and things for the house also from Facebook. One of the most popular ways for people how they're earning big on Facebook is through selling products. On Facebook Marketplace and shops, Facebook Marketplace allows you to list items for sale to people in your local area or even nationwide. Are you in Uganda? You can sell on Facebook Marketplace shops. What you do, as you see in the on our screen, this is how it looks like. Many entrepreneurs have turned this feature into a full-fledged business, selling everything from handmade crafts to vintage items. Facebook shops take it a step further by letting you create customizable storefront that integrates with your business page, making it easy to reach your audience and convert them into customers. Whether you're drop shipping, you're selling digital products, or offering services, Facebook provides a platform to reach millions of potential buyers. Having said that, how do you access your marketplace or Facebook marketplace? What you do, you go to your profile. Hopefully, you have a Facebook. If you don't have a Facebook account, you can go open it using any browser or you can download it. It is on your smartphone. Set your profile. After setting your profile, you don't need a page with selling on marketplace shops. What you only need, go here. When you go up here, you'll see where there is a marketplace. When there is a marketplace, you add there, you customize it, add your products, put prices, and there you're good to go. The other good ways for you to make sure that you are selling well on Facebook, what you do, you be specific, put sizes, put other things. There you go, you're ready to receive customers. The advantages and a bit of some disadvantages on selling on marketplaces, but that one will be for another day. The second way most people have monetized, have gotten millions out of Facebook, is monetizing Facebook groups and pages, and even monetizing their profiles. Another lucrative method in monetizing Facebook groups and pages. By building large engaged community around specific interest or niche, you can attract sponsorship, run ads, and even offer premium membership for exclusive content. Facebook groups focused on topics like fitness, personal finance, or entrepreneurship have become cash cows for the creators. You can also use your page to promote affiliate products by using affiliate links, offer coaching services, or even selling digital courses. The key is to provide consistent value of followers, which will keep them engaged and more likely to support your monetization efforts. How do you access these groups and Facebook pages? What you do, if you have a profile, I always tell you that we have to monetize our Facebook, and I'm very fierce on this. Please, let's make mark on this. What you do, you can monetize your Facebook pages or Facebook groups by simply uploading, be consistent, upload what you know you are good at, and also what your audience needs. With the time, it might be hard when you're beginning, but with time, you'll have to crack the code of how to do it. And the more you upload, you're going to earn. You have very many ways of earning on your groups, very many ways of earning on your pages, very many ways of earning on your profile. On your pages, you can earn as low as $10, as low as $5, and you can earn as higher as 10 million, even and above. So it's up to you to sit down and ask yourself, what exactly, why am I here, and how do I make money? Then the third, but the last but not least, is becoming a Facebook influencer and earning through ad revenue. You guys, I've seen most people earning through this. Most people are advertising people's businesses, most people advertising people's products, most people are influencers in terms of marketing. Influencer marketing on Facebook is another way individuals are earning substantial income. There are people who have solely depended on this. There are people who have grown and made money, built houses, bought cars because they are influencers on Facebook. What about you? What are you doing with that Facebook and those numbers that you have? By growing a royal following and creating engaging content, if you really see what we're talking more, it is the following and engaging content. Influencers can partner with brands for sponsored posts to receive free products and even earn through affiliate marketing. Additionally, Facebook, as we talked about Facebook pages and groups, it always provides on in-stream ads feature, allows you eligible content creators earn and share the ad revenue from the generated videos. This means that the more views and engagement your content gets, the more you can earn. Whatever you are, whether you're a blogger, whether you're a vlogger, or you're just someone with a passion for creating content, becoming a Facebook influencer can be a highly profitable venture. You guys, if we talk about this, these are 2 points. You can become an influencer, or you can solely focus on having on depending on ad revenue. Like me now, I solely depend on ad revenue. How do you have that ad revenue? The ad revenue is gotten from you by uploading short videos. Minimum should be 3 minutes, and it should be consistent. The more you, when you reach the threshold of being monetized, that is, it has its own threshold, that is 5,000 followers, and also you reach 60,000 watch minutes. The moment you reach that, you'll be given a setup, and the moment you upload, whether you upload anything which is eligible on the very right surface with the right portions with right resolution, you are going to be earning on it. That one is called in-stream ad, and every person is eligible for this as long as you're an eligible country, but the majority of countries are earning. You can also get access if you're not in eligible country but you're in another country. You can get it by looking for an administrator from eligible country, but this only applies to pages, not profiles. So you guys, you can earn from Facebook on this from as low as $1 to as higher as infinity millions of dollars that you focus on, and your niche and code cracks it. So you have seen most content creators. You can check on the screenshot. We have a number of people. There are people who wake up on Facebook, you sleep, they're on Facebook. What is the reason for them? Because they are making money, and they have turned it to be their solely source of income. So do you think you can earn money online? Yes. This is Facebook is one way for you to earn lots and huge sums of money. But the only thing is the foundation, how you build it, how consistent you are, and above all, what exactly do you want to achieve? As you can see, Facebook offers multiple avenues for making money, whether it's through selling products, whether you build and monetize communities, or become an influencer. The potential to earn big is there if you're willing to put efforts and utilize the platform's tool effectively. Start exploring these methods today and know exactly which one is better for you. You could be the next big success story for Facebook. Seriously, don't forget, you guys, all this that we do, it might not work for everybody because we have different passions, we have different focus, and we have different levels of being consistent. You will earn $10, another one might earn $30. The difference between why you earning in different ways: one, your niche matters; two, your focus matters; and also the way you put your keywords, the way you optimize your videos matter a lot. Thank you very much. Hopefully this video is very good for you to earn on Facebook, for you to earn online. What you do for me, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share for individuals who think Facebook is just for fun, and please, you can go ahead and even subscribe both on Facebook and on YouTube for more tips, such that when we come online, you don't miss us. Please, you can visit us on our Facebook account. It is also in the names of Immaculate Show. You can visit us and see what is there, how we are making money from there. Thank you very much. See you in another video.